Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. Foundation X Plus is the reformulated version of the former Foundation X. A long-lasting and full coverage foundation that gives the perfect radiant glow to the skin. A dream come true. This fruit complex foundation doesn't look thick, dry or cakey on the skin. It has high levels of elasticity and won't set into fine lines, leaving your skin flawless and naturally radiant. Formulated with real grapefruit and pomegranate extracts that are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C+, and natural detoxification properties that promote skin longevity and rejuvenation of the skin.